listen to him. So why would I be down with a bunch of weak black motherfuckers claiming FBA and they done come up with some white boy letters to put on it?
Yo, what up, One Coalition? Yo, shout out to everybody who subscribed to the channel and everybody who liked my last video, my last content I put up there. But I'm back again with another joint right here. You know I'm going to stay consistent and I'm always keep my foot on their necks. Second of all, I like to shout out to everybody who has been supporting the channel, and y'all know who y'all are. The people who email me, the people who actually, like, you know what I'm saying, really support the channel. You know what I'm saying? There's no explanation for how I feel about having a group of people that think the way I think and move the way I move. So salute to y'all. Yo, I'm back again with another video. For those of you who are not familiar with this guy named Charleston White, Charleston White is a black American who is from Texas, but he doesn't know that he's like African. He don't really like focus on things like that. The only thing that I salute this man for focusing on is like calling out the people who try to oppress our people, like the rappers. He calls out the rappers. He calls out the different black activists and stuff like that. Now he speaks on dead rappers and stuff like that. And he speaks on the dead, and he talks like real weird shit. Like, so it's almost like you gotta sift out what he's saying and take his message, because the only reason why I listen to him is because that he calls out these rappers. You know what I'm saying? These rappers who putting poison into the community. But when he starts talking his weird stuff about, you know what I'm saying, like, man, I can't even repeat that on the channel because I don't want to get flagged. But those of you who don't know Charleston White, go back and research Charleston White. He's from Texas, you know what I'm saying? I believe he's from Fort Worth, Texas. But if you don't know him, go research him. But the reason why I'm making this video right now is because I want to show something that he said about the FBA and the ADOS. And for him to say that, it really shocked me. It really let me know, like, yo, like, damn, like, this shit right here is really deeper than what it is. Like, you got people who saying that they foundational black Americans and they forgetting that they're from Africa. You got people who saying they're ADOS and they forgetting they're from Africa. But not so much with the ADOS like how it is with FBA. And it's really bad because these are people who have never experienced life outside of the United States, life outside of their community, life outside of their city. So these are really like, don't take it as disrespect, but these is really is ignorant people who are really like, you know what I'm saying, trying to like stand on something. Because everybody want to follow something. Everybody wants to be a part of something. That's why you have societies. That's why you have gangs. That's why you have tribes. Like, everybody wants to be a part of something. You wanna link up with people who have the same thinking and the same way of life that you have, you know what I'm saying, or the same, you have common ground. You want to link with people who have common ground with you. But that's here nor there. Once it comes to separating us as black people, regardless of where you from, it's a problem, and I'm gonna keep continuing showing that it's a problem. So what I want to do is drop this video right here with Charleston White speaking on FBA and ADOS. And this is a dude who really don't have no fathom of anything about that, but he just heard about it, and he heard about people trying to separate the shit, and he just like, yo, even though he talk weird all the time, but I just want y'all to hear this right here. Yo, One Coalition.
To the inner city and call a town hall meeting and see if people listen to him. So why would I be down with a bunch of weak black motherfuckers claiming FBA and they done come up with some white boy letters to put on it? Like the FBI, DEA, HSI. Yeah, that's some more white boy shit. That he done handpicked some intelligent niggas to come run a play down on us. Yeah, man, know that shit. TW, do you rock with FBA? No. I don't believe in nothing with symbols and letters. Yeah, if a nigga got to come up with FBA, ADOS, if a nigga got to come up with all that shit, it's bullshit. If you got, it's bullshit. FBA, they ain't got no army, they ain't got no militia.
Hey, yo, One Coalition, y'all heard what he said right there. You know what I'm saying? And I salute Charleston White for showing his true colors with that right there, because he says a lot of questionable things, and I don't agree with a lot of things he say. So let's get that clarified. If y'all want to hear the rest of what he said, y'all go look up this content. But Regardless of that right there, yo, I salute anybody who stand for our people, knowing that we one people and we're not separate. And for those of you in my comment who act like y'all stupid and be ignorant and don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, man, y'all gonna wake up, man. Salute to everybody who hold it down and y'all know what's up. I'm asking y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos right here. Share this content. It's the only way people gonna hear it and they gonna understand. And if you don't understand, then stay away from the channel, you know what I'm saying? I watch my subscribers. I know who really entwined, and I salute the people who are entwined with me. So let's go, man. Let's rock, man. One coalition.